The Komet Twin Ultra line is the result of years of field experience. We spent a lot of time with growers in the field to understand what the real requirements are. The result is a series of big volume guns that offer real solutions to the grower. There are 5 distinctive features that make the Twin Ultra line special, and these I will explain to you now. Uniform water distribution is important so that the crops can grow evenly throughout the entire cultivated area. Therefore, the rotation of the gun needs to be consistent, no matter the pressure or nozzle size used, and even if the gun cart is standing askew or is running sloping terrains. The secret to the uniformity of the Twin Ultra gun is the automatic brake system. It adapts to the prevalent pressure and flow conditions and provides a constant rotation speed. So at lower pressures, the brake disc is pushed against the brake pads only gently. With pressure increase, the brake disc is pushed upwards more strongly, creating more brake force. The deflector is the second essential part to achieve uniform water distribution. It is highly engineered and distributes the water from the gun throughout the entire throw radius. The throw determines the area being irrigated and can reduce the instantaneous water application by distributing the water over a bigger area. Thanks to the strategic positioning of the straightening vanes inside the Twin Ultra barrel, with an extra large diameter, the water reaches the nozzle with the less possible turbulences and pressure losses. What is more, the extra long full taper bore nozzle allows to reduce the diameter of the water stream as smoothly as possible. The nozzle actually already starts inside the barrel. This way, the water can exit the nozzle in a very smooth and perfectly cylindrical way. Pressure greatly determines the operating cost of an irrigation system. So the key is to find a method to limit the operating pressure requirement without sacrificing the quality of irrigation. The Komet Twin Ultra guns can operate well at lower pressures. This is thanks to the pressure-sensitive deflector and the lower inertia of the drive arm to start operation. Already at very low pressure levels, the deflector starts to distribute the water and the drive arm starts its work. The brake system and the deflector self-adjust themselves depending on the pressure used, allowing for an excellent performance at all conditions. The quality standard of our products meets the toughest conditions. Years of field experience, even in the hardest conditions, allow us to say that the Twin Ultra gun are amongst the most resilient and enduring sprinklers in the market. What makes the Twin Ultra so reliable is the selection of high-quality materials in combination of sophisticated design. So the secret is not the materials alone, but the design that allows the components of the gun to be stressed as little as possible. The brake system is made of hard chrome-plated, forged brass, stainless steel and hard anodized aluminum. It does not contain any ball bearings, and the drive arm mechanism is made of UV-resistant technical polymer and is shock-absorbing. Adapting to prevalent conditions such as wind or obstacles is fundamental for their irrigation equipment. In addition to the standard 24-degree model, the Komet Twin Ultra Vari-Angle system allows to manually change the trajectory angle from 15 to 45 degrees and can be set at every degree. The most important part is that there are no internal flow restrictions, so no matter at what angle the gun is set, water can pass the elbow without pressure losses. The dynamic jet breaker allows to redistribute parts of the excessive water from the end of the throw back towards the gun. This is typically the case in lower pressure conditions, or if more water is required near the machine. Another important advantage of this device is that it allows to adapt the water distribution profile to suit the requirements of solid-set systems. These 5 advantages make the Twin Ultra gun the most reliable, enduring and best performing in the market.
Komet Innovative Irrigation.